In a scale of 1 to 10, Papi, at pati yung mga nakikinig sa atin, gusto ko sagutin nyo to on your own kahit di namin naririnig. Gaano ka people pleaser? Or matatawag mo bang people pleaser yung sarili mo?
I would have to say yes.
You are?
Because it's part of the job.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng hindi, especially for me, for us. We're hosts to begin with.
Hindi tayo pwede mag-attitude.
Iba rin kasi mga, let's say, mga artista na would come in just to sing 1 song, 2 songs, 3 songs.
Mas maikse yung oras nila or interaction nila.
Exactly. The interaction with the crowd sometimes is not there. Tayo, trabaho natin maging people pleaser.
Pero what I'd like to ask is, sa work, I think it's okay. It's normal na minsan pe-please mo yung boss mo, pe-please mo yung clients mo. Pero pag hindi na trabaho, people pleaser ka pa rin ba?
A lot of people don't know I'm such an introvert at home.
So sobrang different ng persona mo?
I don't talk at home.
A lot.
Oo.
So si Esa lagi yung nag-open ng
lagi
topics?
Lagi nag-aawahin yan eh. Kasi lagi sinasabi niya, so ibang tao kinakausap mo. Pag dito, hindi mo makakausapin.
Or siguro dahil pagod ka na. Dahil yan yung bread and butter mo, talking.
Well, it depends eh. Like, some days you're just really tired, but some days, parang, you just pahinga. At saka, wala lang, keep things to yourself.
So are you saying na pag introvert, hindi people pleaser? Kasi with your friends, madali ka i-love eh. Nagigets mo ba may taong ganon? Like, let's say for example, Ann Curtis, hindi siya masyadong binabash. Kumbaga,
Binash nga siya, inaway siya.
Recently lang, pero pinagtanggol. May nagtanggol agad. May
inaway.
mga artista kasi, celebrities kasi, na wala pang ginagawa, binabash na.
Correct.
Oo. Si Ann, hindi siya people pleaser, I think, pero lovable siya.
Correct.
So, yun bang sinasabi mo kanina, if you're an introvert,
I think the term
probably hindi ka people pleaser? May ganon?
Not necessarily also. I think there are introverts that are people pleasers. But I think the word that over lovable is charisma.
Charismatic ka.
Di ba? Pag charismatic ka, parang may certain charm eh. I think with me personally, people feel that I'm very approachable, which I am naman. Minsan, kahit nga, yung security guard nga natin, chinika-chika pa, nag-selfie pa kami bago ako pumasok dito. I go out of my way to, I always have this parang thing in my head, this motto I live by, that if you can make somebody happy today, do it.
Then you're okay.
Then I'm okay. People pleaser though,
So anong rate ka? 10 being the highest.
Oh shit, ang ganda nito. Teka. I'd say I'd give myself a 9.
Can I rate you?
Sige,
pwede ba
para
rate
mas madali,
natin yung isa't isa?
Tatanong din
Kasi
kita
feeling ko mas maganda ko ang magre-rate sa atin para hindi masyadong bias.
Correct.
Isa't isa eh.
Correct.
Feeling ko mga 9.8 si Papi.
I'll give you an 8. Bibigyan kitang 8.
Why?
7.58. Kasi, gago. Hindi ko bigyan ng 10 to, gago.
Kasi ang ganda. Ang galing ni Papi. Dun sa, alam mo, ang taas ang taas nung binigay mo sa aking
7 to 8
score.
ka lang.
Kasi I was expecting mga 5 or 6 lang ako. Kasi yan talaga ang parang, pag nakita ko ng tao, di pa kami close, ang isipin na sungit nito. Or can I just say, sometimes people think na sama ng ugali nito because I always say what's on my mind. Wala akong preno.
As a culture, ang Pilipinas, hindi pa tayo sanay sa ganyan. Yung very outspoken. If you go to other countries.
Very straightforward.
Parang you'd be surprised sa work or environment. Parang, F you, you're not doing a good job.
Kasi ikaw kaya mo magpigil.
Ako, I'd find a way to say things nicely. Even if I have to deliver bad news.
Oh my gosh. Siguro.
Pero I think ikaw kasi, number 1, alam ko pag pagod ka, hindi ka na nakangiti.
Talaga?
Oo. Alam ko medyo napagod na to. People pleaser, I think ikaw
maganda i-define mo yon.
I think ikaw dati, tapos slowly nawala.
Galing mo, manghuhula ka ba?
Slowly nawala kasi nung naging busy, tapos of course you're doing a morning show, you have 3 kids, diba? You're juggling a lot of things. I think it affects you being a people pleaser. It's not a bad thing. It's not also a good thing. It's just yung priorities mo nag-iba. Parang you'd rather please yourself than please other people. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Parang sometimes in my mind, it's okay to be selfish.
And
I totally agree with Sam na yes, ang taas ng binigay niya sa aking score na 7.5 to 8 because I'd rate myself mga 6 ako or 5.
Ako 7. Hindi, alam mo yung 0.5, 7 to 8.
Alam mo kung bakit? Tama yung sinabi mo. Nandun ako sa era na parang, bala na kayo kung ano sasabihin niyo sa akin kasi mas kilala ko naman yung sarili ko eh.
Correct. And you will get...
Or sinasabi mo nga, there's nothing wrong with it kasi I'm not gonna say hindi ako nice. Once you
Of course.
get to know me or close tayo for life. As in, kapag may umaway sa'yo, kaya kita pagtatanggol kita. Pero, nandun ako sa era na medyo tamad ako
Yun.
to make friends, to make new friends, close friends.
Yon. Kasi it takes time to develop a close friendship. Of course, there are people you'd meet bigla and click right away.
And again, siguro, nandun ako sa era na okay, pupunta ako dyan. Gagawin ko yung work ko. Pero yung PR medyo bawas ng konti.
Yun.
And sometimes people think na sungit naman nito. Parang baka pupunta lang dito, hindi man lang tsumika ng tsumika. Siguro kasi nasa utak ko, chichika na kasi ako mamaya. Siguro medyo bawas muna. Pagoda na mi dun sa pinanggaligang ko. Bago mag-start yung event, tahimik lang talaga ako. Minsan chichika, pero hindi kagaya ng before na super duper ma-PR. Please ko talaga lahat yan.
I'd have
But
to
with
agree.
you,
But I think that also comes...
with age.
With age.
With age.
Priorities.
The priorities.
Things like you said, there's nothing wrong with being selfish. If you need time for yourself, that is perfectly fine. Pero some people might interpret it another way.
Exactly. Na parang sama ng ugali mo.
Not naman masama. Ang sungit mo.
Ang
Hindi ka
sungit mo.
approachable. Hindi ka makausap.
Masungit ako.
Mataray.
Okay,
These are the
okay.
words that are often used pag ganyan eh.
And often, dikit sa pangalan ko. Masungit, mataray. Sakit magsalita. Puro,
Or,
and
is tayo lang RBF, resting bitch fez.
Uy, hindi ako naka-retching. Talaga ba? Retching tuloy.
Retching ka na rin. Retching pag-ibig to.
Alam mo, parang feeling ko, okay lang siguro natawagin ako masungit, mataray, basta wag masama ugali. Kasi
That's
aaminin ko, masungit, mataray talaga ako. At hindi ko rin talaga minsan mapigilan yung sarili ko. Kasi parang nasa utak ko, kung di ko sasabihin sa'yo, sino magsasabi sa'yo? Or kung di ko sasabihin, kikim-kiming ko to eh.
I would ask you another question based on what you asked.
Okay.
Did you get tired
Of being-
becoming a people pleaser? Kasi
Yeah.
dati, parang mas people pleaser ka eh. Hindi naman sa nawala, nabawasan lang. Did you get tired of it? Is it tiring to be a people pleaser?
Oo naman, sa social media world na to. Sobra. And parang sa utak ko kasi, kaya nais ako o hindi, lagi kayong may sasabihin.
You know why?
So parang, hinahayaan ko na lang sila na isipin ko anong gustong isipin nila sa akin kasi kilala ko naman yung sarili ko. Tsaka kilala ko ng mga taong malalim ang pagkakakilala sa akin.
There are pros and cons to being a people pleaser.
Okay.
I think pros, of
Ikaw
course...
makakapag-explain yan because you are 9.8 ang rate ko sa'yo.
Taas yun.
For me, you are a people pleaser.
I am almost reaching
Oo,
the
paten
perfect
ka na.
score.
Paten ka na.
Siguro
Hindi
5
ka-
years ago, nasa 10 ako.
So medyo nabawasan pa ng konti
Oo
yun.
naman.
Pero hindi ka ba na... Kasi 9.8, mataas pa yun. Hindi ka
Mataas yun.
napapagod maging people pleaser.
I was
Tapos,
gonna get to that.
ganun ka na pero may naririnig ka pa rin na hindi okay na comments.
I think being a people pleaser is tiring kasi minsan mas priority mo na sila yung masaya.
Hindi ikaw.
That you forget na kailangan mo rin maging masaya. Because ang focus mo, shit, nag-enjoy ba lahat?
Sila.
Oo. Di ba meron nga mga mom pag nag-host ng dinner, o kumain ka na ba? Okay ka ba? Wala silang pakialam kung sobrang busy nila sa kusina.
Or kung di na sila nakakain.
Exactly. Basta lahat masaya.
Maayos.
Maayos. And just turning it out to or relating it to what we're talking about, as a people pleaser, yung focus mo, okay ba si Chacha? Masaya ba yan? Si Jeff, okay ba? Masaya ba siya? And sometimes, you're so focused on that nadidrain ka na, pagod ka na pala, hindi mo na napapansin sarili mo.
Well, at least with you, maganda yung reason why you are a people pleaser because there are people na people pleaser para lang mabango at maganda pangalan nila.
That is also true.
But in real life, pag wala ng ibang tao, hindi naman talaga ganun. Kumbaga, mas people pleaser sa mga hindi nila kakilala kaysa sa mga taong nakakasama nila.
I think kasi with Boys Night Out before, which, I was there for 17 years, ang na-instill sa akin na parang culture, at least the culture of our show, was that anybody who comes in our show, whether you're a celebrity, a politician, or an international, artista, whatever, whenever umapa ka sa studio namin, barkada ka namin.
Tropa tayo dito, kalma tayo dito. Relax ka dito.
And as a listener, yung mga tao, parang naging part ng barkada. So when they see us out, when they see me out, oy, si Samuel Jeep.
They treat you like a kabarkada.
Oo, papi, ganyan-ganyan. Kwento this, chika that. Kasi, parang nawawala yung yung parang, uy, ito narinig natin, parang kwento. And they'll start sharing their stories. I think it also carried over to the podcast. Yung Lecheng Pag-ibig to. People, and we love it, diba? We love it. We get, how many emails do we get in a day? How many messages we get on our Facebook account? Of people,
Oo naman, bata pa lang kaming lahat, nakikinig na kami sa Boys Night Out.
Hindi, itong nasa LPT nga.
Ay, sa LPT na ba? Sorry.
Diba? We get people that relate to us so much or relate to the topics na you feel like you want to share your problems and issues, and we love that. Sa akin, I'd rather have it that way than to be not approachable.
Yung parang ang tingin sa'yo, masungit at mataray.
Parang hindi pwede kausapin to.
Sa akin naman, on the other hand, siguro nasanay na ako na laging may sinasabi na di maganda. So parang ako, okay na ako kung ano isipin nyo. Okay na akong isipin nyo masungit ako or mataray ako. Pero yung iba, pag nakilala ko, halimbawa yung mga nami-meet ko rin. Yung mga nami-meet ko rin, mapa-listener man namin yan ni Manong Ted or listener natin na na-encounter ko, may mga nagsasabi sa akin na parang, uy, alam mo, akala namin masungit ka. Hindi pala. Uy, akala ko mataray ka. Pero hindi pala. Mas okay sa akin.
Ano reaction mo when you hear that? I'm sure you hear that a lot.
Before, nagugulat pa ako. Ngayon, hindi na eh. Because I have a strong personality.
Yes.
Even before with MOR, I'm really used to, even with my husband, off the air, ganito rin po talaga ako. I'm no pretensions and anything. So kung paano nyo ako nakikita ngayon, ganito ako makipag-usap sa friends, ganito ako makipag-usap sa asawa, and even sa mga anak, mas tone down lang ng konti sa mga bata. So, parang sa akin kasi, I don't wanna pretend to be someone that I'm not. Kumbaga, kung gusto niyo akong pakinggan, dahil ako yun. Hindi dahil magpe-pretend ako na nice ako or whatever. Parang yun naman yun na-instill sa utak ko. Parang sa akin, okay lang kung di niyo ako gusto. Pero yung may mga gusto sa akin, edi thank you.
I think one word I've been hearing a lot.
Pero hindi ko nga sure kung is that an okay attitude na medyo parang dead ba sa mga...
I think it's an okay attitude because at the end of the day,
parang I mean,
you do you.
Exactly.
Diba? I mean, being a people pleaser is good, but I think one thing I realized, kaya nabawasan din ako. Like what you said kanina, I can totally relate to that kasi ako nabawasan din. Kasi I remember I was having a conversation with my wife about this. It's that being a people pleaser or being the life of the party, you give so much energy to the, whatever gathering event. And minsan when you get home, parang may konting emptiness na parang, or drain. May konting drain. May drain siya. Parang you just feel so drained. You just feel so, teka lang, kailangan ko ng break.
Tutulala ka na lang
yun.
bigla.
Pagod na yung utak mo, pagod na yung emotions mo rin. And that's when I slowly realized that you also have to take care of yourself. I was telling you about this a few weeks ago, and alam mo na rin to that I've started to take days off.
From social media.
From social media,
And from work. From work.
I left Boys Night Out. I take 2 days off in a week. I get to spend more time with my wife. I get to do the things that I love. Dati nga, kunyari, sa cycling, I have a bicycle which I haven't touched in a year. So, na-realize ko parang, okay, puro ka pinapasaya mo yung ibang tao.
Pero sarili mo, di mo mapasaya.
And that's dangerous. That's where I think the danger comes.
Oh, wow. A lot to think about para sa mga nakikinig sa
pag
atin.
hindi mo na, of course, everybody likes to be
Ganda
loved.
napapasaya nyo pa ba sarili nyo? Oo. Ask yourself,
Kasi
kaya mo pa ba pasayahin sarili mo? Ibang tao na lang kaya mong pasayahin.
Looking at social media,
That's a good point.
I-zoom in natin. Looking at social media, bakit tayo may ganyan? Because everybody wants to be likable.
Yeah.
Totoo naman
Gusto natin ng maraming likes. Wag tayong plastic. When you post something, gusto mo may maraming likes yan. Gusto mo maraming views yan.
Kaya hindi ka mag-post ng picture mong pangit. Ilang selfie to take mo, alin yung post mo.
Bago mo
100
i-post.
selfies.
Kailangan Instagrammable. May mga ganyan pa.
You probably post 1, 2, all, content creation, you want people to like it because you want people to like you. Yun naman yung end goal being likable. So, are we people pleasers? I think we all are. Deep inside, we all are because we all want to be liked, likable people. Diba? Ayaw natin na parang, masabihin, ay, masama ugali ng taong yan. Ay, hindi approachable yan.
Wala Wala na ako dun sa face na yon. Before, ganyan na ganyan ako. And before tinatamaan ako, meron pa akong moment na parang, nakakaingit naman to si Sam. Or hindi lang ikaw, yung iba mga kakilala ko na, wow, super likable naman. Love siya ng lahat ng tao. And for sure, meron tayong mga friends or kakilala who are like that. Na ang daling i-love ng tao.
True.
Parang talagang
Charismatic.
kahit wala siyang sabihin or kahit hindi maganda yung sabihin niya, love pa rin siya ng tao. There was a phase in my life, I was like that. Pero I'm at this point na parang deadma sa hindi maganda o magandang sasabihin sa akin. Because at the end of the day, like nyo ako or hindi nyo ako like, hindi ko dapat ibase dyan yung happiness ko. Hindi ko rin dapat ibase dyan yung pagkakakilala ko sa sarili ko because I know myself more than anyone else. Parang yun yung na-instill sa utak ko ever since na parang lagi ito siguro dahil sa way din ng pagpapalaki ng magulang. Ang nanay ko lagi sinasabi sa akin na wag mong intindihin yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. Basta ang mahalaga, kilala mo sarili mo and alam mo wala kang tinatapakan. Laging doon ako. So kung ang tingin nila sa akin masungit, mataray, then so be it. At the end of the day, alam ko naman kung sino yung mga taong totoong gusto ako yun. Okay na ako doon. Kahit kukonti lang yun, I'm sure yung mga yun, pag sinabi nilang I like you, totoo, they mean it that they like me. Hindi yung minsan sasabihin sa'yo na I like you. Pero pag nakatalikod ka na ako ano-ano na sinasabi. Di ba? May ganon.
I think one key word that I've been hearing a lot is authenticity. Diba? Being authentic, being true to yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
And in as much as it's easy to say, oh, authentic ako, ganyan-ganyan. Yun nga, mapasok yung it's human nature na.
Innate sa atin.
Oo, hindi, pero gusto ko maging likable eh. Parang, kapag maging authentic ako, baka hindi ako maging likable.
May mga ganyan.
And sometimes we fall into the norm, 'di ba? Gusto natin na hindi ito dapat yung ito yung parang format,
Hindi dapat.
'di ba? And that's why I appreciate you bring up this topic because yun nga, it takes a certain maybe age, maybe maturity to realize that sometimes you have to hit the pause button and look at yourself. Are you happy with yourself? Or are you just
genuinely happy?
Exactly. Are you just creating this image or are you just being a people pleaser na hindi ka pala masaya sa sarili mo?
Napapasaya mo silang lahat pero ikaw hindi ka na masaya.
Correct. And that's why some of the best stand-up comedians that we know, di ba parang they take away their lives because tawag dito, they realized puro sila pasaya na ibang tao that they forget themselves.
Oo. Minsan yung mga komedyante pa are the loneliest people or person na kilala natin. Totoo yun. Pero yung mga kagaya yung in-example mo kanina, na parang minsan dahil gusto mo talagang i-like ka, kaya gagawin mo to kahit hindi na
It's
okay
not you.
deep
It's not
inside.
what you wanna
There's
do.
nothing wrong with it. Pero yun nga, makukonsume ka. Ikaw yung kawawa. Because you want people to like you. There are times na kahit hindi na okay talaga sa'yo, pagod ka na or whatever,
Yun.
gagawin mo pa rin eh.
Pagod ka na,
for
pero sige.
people to like you. It's okay not to be liked. Yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyong lahat.
Correct. It's if you care too much about what other people think, then
Magkakaproblema tayo dyan.
it's gonna consume you one day. Maybe not today, but it's gonna consume you one day. Kaya it's okay to say no. There's a party, sobrang pagod ka na, pero hindi, people pleaser ka eh. Kailangan ko sumunod. Kasi, baka magtampo.
Hindi.
Pero pagod ka na, gusto mo na
ganon.
umuwi. And it'll come to a point na, okay, wait, I have to put myself first.
It's okay to be selfish sometimes.
Oo. I have to put myself first because if you keep on, you keep on filling the glass of water, butas naman yung glass, butas naman yung jar mo ng tubig, wala rin mangyayari. Diba? And you can't, I know it's very hard to grasp and it's very hard to actually practice this, pero you can't really put your happiness in the hands
Of other people.
of their perception of you.
Yes.
Or else you'll just be chasing forever. You'll be chasing that happiness kasi yung happiness mo nilagay mo sa kamay nila.
Ganda ng mga sinabi mo. And I think nandun ako ngayon. Na-dead ba na lang? Masaya naman ako.
Masaya ka naman.
Kahit pasabihan niyo ako ng mataray ako.
Kasi
Masungit ako.
Because alam mo na yung sarili mo, alam mo na hindi ka naman ganun eh.
Basta hindi niyo ako sasabihang tamad ako katrabaho. Yung mga totoo na masungit, mataray, hindi masyadong approachable, okay na yan.
Oo, ganun talaga. That's
okay na, yun naman talaga eh.
Yun naman talaga. And you're just being true to yourself.
Yeah, parang I have really this belief na it's okay na hindi ka gusto ng karamihan pero hindi ka nagpapanggap. You're not pretending to be someone that you're not.
There's a
Kesa,
saying, diba, na parang,
gustong-gusto ka nila, pero hindi ikaw yan. And you know deep inside na hindi ka masaya sa pagpapanggap na yan.
Yung saying na is, I'd rather be disliked for somebody I am than to be loved for somebody I'm not.
That I am not. And can I just say na for people who are like me, you have a strong personality, you say what's on your
I think
mind.
the second one is very important.
If you're like me na talagang walang preno po ang bibig nyo, sasabihin mo kung anong gusto mong sabihin, siguro ang problema lang doon na kailangan siguro nating baguhin is yung sinabi mo before, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. Medyo doon, baka kailangan medyo para hindi tayo makaka-hurt. Pero ako nandun pa rin ako sa it's better na malaman mo kesa walang magsabi sa'yo. So, this is me. I mean, this is my personality. Talagang sasabihin ko sa'yo kung ano yung nakikita ko na number 1, kung may mali ako nakikita, sasabihin ko talaga yan. Number 2, kung wala naman bearing masyado sa buhay ko, buhay mo yan. Hindi ako magsasalita dyan. Parang ganun ako eh.
How about for people who, baliktarin ko yung sinabi mo. Ikaw kasi you're very outspoken, you say what you want to say.
Yes.
How about for people who
quiet?
cannot say what they really want to say, who cannot express what they really want to express because they are afraid.
Natatakot na maka-hurt?
Of course. Or being judged.
I have a question for you.
Being
Kung
judged.
kanina, ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, 9 out of 10 ka na people pleaser, gaano ka ka-honest with your feelings sa mga tao? I mean, gaano ka ka-honest dun sa mga gusto mong sabihin?
Alam mo, these
nasasabi mo ba lahat or mas marami yung, hindi akin na lang to, baka masaktan eh.
I'm still learning to do that. Even with my relationship, even with my wife, napansin niya yan about me eh. Na tawag dito, when we get into arguments, parang, well, why don't you say what you really want to say? Bakit wala ka sinasabi? It might be a guy thing na sorry ka lang na sorry.
But why?
Pero then I realized na, yun nga, maybe it's because of that.
Ayaw mo maka-hurt.
Ayaw mo maka-hurt, kaya hindi mo masabi yung gusto mo sabihin. But I realized it's wrong. Kasi the person will never understand what's on your mind, whether it's right or wrong.
Hindi kami manghuhula.
Hindi mo lang ma-express yung
sarili mo.
So that's something I'm still in the process of correcting with myself. No? Being able to say what I want, being able to say no, hindi, ayoko, sorry.
Say it nicely.
Oo, parang hindi ako makapunta. And ito lang, as Filipinos, diba? Oy, party ko sa Sabado, daan ka naman. Ano reply mo? I'll try. It's so hard for us to say no.
Lagi tayong susubukan.
Subukan ko.
Uy, sige pa, check ko sked ko. Yun madalas sagot natin.
Diba?
Bakit ang hirap?
Dinner naman tayo soon. 8 years na lang yan. Di pa kayo dinner soon.
When was the last time you said no to your friend?
You know what? I think I've improved a lot with that department. I'm not worried na masaktan sila. Let's say, may event, may party, and I can't make it or I'm too tired. Let's say, I'd say no. And I'm okay with it already. Dati hindi. Dati parang, shit.
Lagi mo iniisip, yung feel nila.
Oo, parang baka magalit sa akin to. Then I realized, when you say no,
you're choosing yourself.
Yeah, and nobody really gets mad.
Yes.
Wala pa akong kilala.
Actually, na-anxiety ka lang. True.
Wala pa akong kilala na sorry, hindi ako makakapunta. Tapos nagalit sa akin.
Tama.
Kasi hindi ako nakapunta. Because I realized also, like one of my super good friends, si Johan, no? I wasn't able to make his wedding. Super good friend of mine. Nakabawi ako sa birthday party niya. Sa birthday party niya, sabi ko, sige, punta ako dyan. There's always going to be a next time. If you need time for yourself, take that time for yourself. Because there will always be a next time. And yun nga, wala pa akong kilala nagagalit because I said no, because I said what I wanted to say. Because deep in my heart, I know I was honest. And it's so, people will get mad at you ito. People, even with breakups, no? When you break up with someone, sabi lang sa akin, when you break up with someone,
sure na yan,
because sasabihin mo yung, diba? Oh,
yung rason.
It's not working out because, you know, ganyan. Whoever says the line, nakipag-break, syempre, yun yung masama, technically. Nabrinekan ako ni Chacha eh. Diba? But, the mere fact that you broke up and you were honest in saying it's not working out because, you know, I have to prioritize this, it may hurt the person for a while. But down the road, I think that person will respect you. Because sinabi mo sa kanya yung totoo, kesa pinilit mo maging people pleaser, i-please mo siya, yung pala, hindi ka na masaya. They're gonna get mad at you at first, but trust me, down the road, they're gonna respect you for who you are and
For
saying
telling the truth.
Exactly.
So I won't change. Wow, Char! Alam mo, we can both learn from each other.
Of course.
Kasi
Yes.
parang si Sam is a type of person na may gusto siyang sabihin pero dahil ayaw niya nga maka-hurt, titikom na lang niya yung bibig niya. Ako naman, di ko alam kung kailan dapat ipreno, nakasakit ka na pala. So, eto yung mga bagay na pag-iisipan namin mamayang gabi pagtulog namin para, to be better.
True.
Pwede sigurong hindi naman lahat. Ichika mo. May mga bagay na dapat tago mo lang sa sarili mo.
I
But
think
there are also things na wag mong kimkimin kasi pag kinimkim mo ng matagal, sasabog ka naman.
I think, like you said, we can all learn from each other.
Yeah.
If you're listening, send a comment, drop a comment dito.
Sino kayo dyan?
Oo.
Ikaw ba si...
People pleaser?
People pleaser? Or ikaw si bala kayo dyan, lakong pake?
Correct. Are you somewhere in between? Somewhere in between is, I think...
The nonchalant?
I think it's finding the perfect balance eh. Diba? If you're a people pleaser, who are you pleasing? Are these people that matter to you? Or are these people that you don't even know? Diba? Who are you pleasing? I'm sure if you disappoint someone
And
you
why
love...
are you a people pleaser?
Well, if you disappoint somebody you love, it's gonna hurt you also. But if you disappoint somebody na wala ka nang pakialam, kebs ka.
Oo.
Diba?
Ako yun.
Oo.
Diba?
So, we all have to learn from each other. But I think it's a good time to reflect on who we are
Yeah.
and what really matters to us.
And can you still make yourself happy?
Correct.
And at the end of the day, parang people pleaser ka man or hindi, masaya ka ba?
Correct. Things you say yes
Na yan
to.
ka.
And things you say no to. At bakit ka nag-yes, bakit ka nag-no.
Amen.